Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a present continuous tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 to 3, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. She is dash a cake. The correct option is A. Making. She is making a cake. Question 2. He is dash fast. The correct option is C. Running. He is running fast. Question 3. I am dash a letter. The correct option is A. Writing. I am writing a letter. Question 4. They are dash in the pool. The correct option is B. Swimming. They are swimming in the pool. Question 5. She is dash on the bed. The correct option is B. Lying. She is lying on the bed. Question 6. We are dash at the party. The correct option is C. We are dancing at the party. Question 7. He is dash the car. The correct option is A. Stopping. He is stopping the car. Question 8. I am dash a trip. The correct option is C. Planning. I am planning a trip. Question 9. She is dash here. The correct option is A. Coming. She is coming here. Question 10. They are dash the lesson. The correct option is B. Beginning. They are beginning the lesson. Question 11. He is dash his shoes. The correct option is B. Tying. He is tying his shoes. Question 12. She is dashed to Paris. The correct option is C. Traveling. She is traveling to Paris. Question 13. I am dashed to music. The correct option is A. Listening. I am listening to music. Question 14. They are dash a book. The correct option is C. Reading. They are reading a book. Question 15. He is dash with his friend. The correct option is A. Chatting. He is chatting with his friend. Question 16. We are dash for clothes. The correct option is B. Shopping. We are shopping for clothes. Question 17. She is dash the paper. The correct option is B. Cutting. She is cutting the paper. Question 18. He is dash in the park. The correct option is C. Jogging. He is jogging in the park. Question 19. I am dash to work. The correct option is A. Driving. I am driving to work. Question 20. They are dash the computer. The correct option is C. Using. They are using the computer. Question 21. She is dash for good news. The correct option is A. Hoping. She is hoping for good news. Question 22. We are dash in the photo. The correct option is B. Smiling. We are smiling in the photo. Question 23. He is dash the door. The correct option is B, fixing. He is fixing the door. Question 24. I am dash a picture. The correct option is C, painting. I am painting a picture. Question 25. She is dash the movie. The correct option is C, enjoying. She is enjoying the movie. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.